Please be seated.
各位请坐。
And now we're going to have some fun. We are going to set up a photo with Mr. Mayor and Dana right here with our team representatives.
是的，现在就让我们邀请市长还有 Dana， 我们要一起在座位上来进行大合照。Let's take a group photo. Yes. 好，那么请大家呢准备好，包括我们的工作人员来将今天的旗帜准备好。那么在这个座位区上，贵宾席。
Blue Lions have a different strategy. They left one of their robots on the enemy's field, trying to, again, Red Lions to throw the LG to the processor, and they did it. What a nice defense. Jonah is defending, rejecting Red Lions, grabbing any of the coral from the human player, but they still got one great one sneak into the human and successfully get one of the coral from the human player. So as we can see, cycle count, they try to hit 24 seconds left.